Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna focus on multiplying and dividing fractions. So this is very simple and you're just gonna see how amazing it is. So starting off with multiplying. Multiplying is easy. What you just do, you just multiply the numerators together and also multiply the denominators together. If you get a number that is big and it's not simplified, you always simplify. Mainly because if you simplify, you get your full marks. Okay, so let's get into it. So the numerator here is 3 times the numerator here, which is 6, which gives us 18. Okay, then the denominators, 4 times 9 gives us 36. So we can still simplify this number. So we're gonna ask ourselves, how many times does 18 go into 18? That's the highest common factor that it can go in, which is 1. Then we ask ourselves, how many times does 18 go into 36? And that is 2. And that is our answer. Done. Now we move on to this one. This one is very interesting, but it's actually very fun. Many people are dreading division, but it's very fun. What you have to remember, this abbreviation. Keep, change, flip. KCF. Not KFC, KCF. Okay, so what it means essentially is this: the first thing that you're doing is you keep the whole fraction as it is. The first thing in our division, you keep it as it is, but the division sign changes into a multiplication sign. Then the last one, you flip it. That means the 8 goes above, the 4 goes below. In other words, the 8 becomes the numerator and the 4 becomes the denominator. And I see that you can see that this is something similar. That's an improper fraction. That is correct. So what you just do, when you're at this stage, you are exactly at the same stage as a multiplying fraction. So you just go the same. Numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So 3 times 8, that gives us 24. Then 7 times 4 gives us 28. Then we ask ourselves, what number can go into 24 and can go into 28? If you remember, both of these numbers are in the 4 times table. So we ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into 24? It goes in 6 times. Okay? And how many times does 4 go into 28? It goes in 7 times. And that is your answer, 6/7. So one thing that you really have to remember is this golden rule. Keep, change, flip. So whenever you're given a dividing fraction sum, whether it's whatever problem, whatever shape, size, or manner, you always remember your keep, change, flip. And the moment that you're in your keep, change, flip, you go back to your division, to your multiplication way, which is very easy. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So you got this, guys. So see you next time. You got this. Thank you.